Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Turn on your Ps4 and open Settings Devices Bluetooth devices. This makes the Ps4 scan. Put the Bluetooth speaker into pairing mode. Look for a flashing LED or spoken cue, because the Ps4 needs that signal to recognize it. Keep a wired headset or the DualShock 4 handy as a fallback, since the Ps4 restricts certain Bluetooth audio types. Once done, move quickly to add the device. This prepares the connection stepwise and avoids wasted retries. You now pair and route audio. When the speaker appears on the Ps4 list, tap it to pair. You may need to enter a code, usually 0000. If the speaker never shows, make sure it is close and not connected to another device, or consider a USB Bluetooth dongle or routing audio through the TV optical/HDMI output. Once paired, go to Settings Sound and Screen Audio Output Settings and set output device to your speaker or TV so game and chat audio go where you expect. You finish by testing both game sound and party chat. Play a quick clip and join a party to confirm levels, then adjust volume on the speaker and Ps4. If you hear lag or sync issues, drop Bluetooth bitrate or switch to a wired or optical connection because Bluetooth can introduce latency. If pairing fails, power cycle the speaker and Ps4, remove old pairings and re-enter pairing mode. One key troubleshooting tip: if voice chat is missing, use a dedicated USB or wired headset. Ps4 limits Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.